The National Weather Service in Massachusetts Bay Area has issued a high rip current risk which might is in effect until 6 a.m. through 8 a.m. This current increasing wave action will create with parents beginning this morning with the threat lasting through the evening hours. The current impacts in this current can sweep even the best swimmers away from shore into deeper water. In-currents are powerful channels of water flowing quickly away from shore, which occur most often at low spots over breaks, sandbar in the vicinity structures, such as groins, jetties, and piers.
Coast Guard.